Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through mass exploration, which is a problem on the swing section of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. So here is the problem statement. A space explorer ship crashed on Mars. They sent a series of SOS messages to Earth for help. Letters in some of the SOS messages are altered by cosmic radiation during transmission. Given the signal received by Earth as a string, determine how many letters of the SOS messages have been changed by radiation. What does that mean exactly? It means that we are going to receive a string which was initially a couple of SOS message, and the string has been, some of the letter of the string has been changed due to radiation, and we need to find the number of string that has been changed. For example, let's say we receive this as a string. We need to compare with the original version of the string. We were supposed to have SOS, which is nice, and here we were supposed to have another SOS. We can see that this has been changed because it's actually T. So this is 1. This has also been changed. This is 1. So 2 of the message character were changed. The answer should be 2, right? So how are we going to approach such a problem? So to solve this problem, the first thing we need to do is to construct the original string. Once we have the original string, compare each of the characters at the same position with the original string and the received string. And if they are not equal, we just increment our, our result. That will at the end be the number of character that has been changed. Without wasting time, let us implement what we just described as our approach. Here is our string that we receive. There is something interesting here in the constraint. The constraint says that the string will be a modulo of 3. So we know that the string will always be a multiple of 3. So we can make it here. We can just say, okay, I would say I'll just make comment for you. Construct the original string. Original string. I will initiate the original string and empty. So now just say for int equal to 0 less than s divided by 3. I'm sure that this will be an int because exercise divided by 3. I'm sure that s dot size will be a multiple of 3 because of this. So I'm sure that this will be an int value. And then here I'll just make original string. Okay, so this, at the end of this for loop, this original string, we have the value of the original string. For instance, if we have, let's take this example. If you have this, the size of this will be 6. 6 divided by 3, it will be 2. So we are going to loop this 2 times, and we are going to have SOS 2 times. So at the end, this original string, we have the original message. Now we can have our result here. That will be an int, and then now we can loop through either our string or original string because they have the same size. So we can just say for s is shorter, so I took s. Now we just need to check if s of I is different from original string of I, then we increment our result. and at the end the result, which you can just return the result. Let us run and see what it gives. We have a congratulations, everything is green. Let us submit and see what it gives. Cool, everything is green. So this was one way of solving this. I mean, like the most not natural approach for me to handle this. There is another approach of solving this problem which require a bit of mathematics. I mean, like a knowledge of mathematic operation, and then that can help you to achieve the result without creating the original string, just based on the fact that the pattern SOS will be a repeat over the original string. So it will just be a repetition of SOS SOS. So the idea of that solution is to loop through the given string, and for each of the element in the given string, not to compare it with the original string at the same position because you don't have the original string, but to compare it with the element that was supposed to be based on the pattern that should respect the original string. So I won't go further with that approach. I will let you try to implement it by yourself, and I will be happy to have your input in the comment section. But let me give you an idea of what it will look like. It will be something like this. So it will not be based on the original string. You have a base string which will be the same value that will be repeat over in the original string, and based on the pattern that the original string will respect, you can have the same you can make use of it to build to check the number of characters that has been changed. Let us run this and see. Directly submit. You can see that we still have everything green. So I will let you explore this and see how comfortable you are with this approach, and let me know if you were able to understand what is happening here. If you need help, don't hesitate to ping me in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to do not miss the next set of video. If you like the video, don't hesitate to give me a thumb up, so it will really encourage me to continue with what I'm doing. So see you on the next video. Ciao.